A deadly E. coli outbreak in Colorado being connected to McDonald's popular Quarter Pounder burger. Good evening, and thank you so much for joining us for Denver 7 News at 5 this Wednesday. I'm Jacqueline Allen.
And I'm Micah Smith. First tonight, new details on that outbreak. Health officials are now confirming the person who died was in Mesa County, saying more cases may emerge. At least 49 cases across 10 states have been reported so far, but the U.S. Centers for Disease Control says most of those illnesses are in Colorado, where 26 people have gotten sick.
And McDonald's now working with health officials to track this outbreak and pulling its Quarter Pounder burger from the menu in some states. Denver 7's Veronica Acosta learned more today about how far this could have spread.
Veronica, we know McDonald's has a lot of customers, and many of those customers are wondering if they've been impacted by all of this.
That is the big question. A spokesperson with McDonald's saying that they are still investigating the source. It could have been the beef patties or even the slivered onions. State health officials saying they suspect those ingredients were distributed to most, if not all, Colorado McDonald's. That means every single location was at risk. If you swing by a Colorado McDonald's, the Quarter Pounder is now off the menu after a severe E. coli outbreak has gotten more than 24 Coloradans sick.
I would say that this is a very active investigation, and we know that additional cases are going to be coming in.
One person in Mesa County has died. The other cases are of Colorado residents in 9 counties. That includes Arapahoe, Chaffee, El Paso, Gunnison, Larimer, Mesa, Routt, Teller, and Weld counties. So far, 8 people have been hospitalized, the state's top doctor laying out a potential timeline.
The time span for when people ate at McDonald's and when people became ill really starts in very late September and then into the first, maybe a little bit into the second week of October.
Meantime, a McDonald's spokesperson saying they're looking at 2 possible culprits. The first, beef patties, which come from multiple suppliers, meaning contamination would have had to come from more than one place. The second, and more likely, slivered onions, which come from a single facility.
The products that may have caused illness in certain McDonald's in Colorado were probably distributed to most, if not all, McDonald's locations in Colorado.
Meaning Quarter Pounders sold at every McDonald's could have been contaminated, and as the number of cases are expected to increase, those impacted are turning to litigation.
In this particular outbreak, I've been contacted by 2 individuals, one hospitalized, one not hospitalized, from Nebraska. Both are genetic matches to the outbreak.
Marler's saying he expects to hear from Colorado victims soon. And CDPHE says the youngest person who got sick from this specific E. coli outbreak right here in Colorado was a teenager. They say they are investigating all cases that come to them. That investigation process pretty thorough. They want to know what kind of food history the people have, what they ate, and of course when and where. In Denver, I'm Veronica Acosta, Denver 7.
All things to really start thinking about if you've eaten at a McDonald's in Colorado recently.
Absolutely. All right. Thank you, Veronica.